Most men in their 20s are not lazy, they are not weak, they are not incapable, and they definitely don't lack potential. They are just lost. And honestly, this generation of men has more confusion than any other generation before it. Because today, a man can wake up and within 5 minutes can compare himself to an entrepreneur, a fitness influencer, a luxury traveler, a guy with a perfect relationship, and someone younger than him already winning at life every single day. And after seeing all that, he quietly sits back and asks himself, what am I even doing in my life? That feeling, that silent pressure, is what millions of men in their 20s are carrying these days. And nobody talks about it honestly, because everyone online is pretending to have life figured out or selling motivation. But today I want to talk about real reasons why so many men are mentally stuck, directionless, anxious, and disconnected in their 20s. Because if you understand this early, you can save yourself years of frustration. The first reason many men feel lost today is because they have too many options. And that totally feels strange because we grew up believing that more options means more freedom. But in reality, too many choices create paralysis. Think about it. One person says, start a business. Another says, get a government job. Someone else says, learn coding. Then another one says, move abroad. Then social media says, become financially free before 30. At the same time, your family wants stability, your friends wants fun, and of course your mind wants peace. So now you're standing in the middle of hundreds of directions without clarity. Previous generations had limited paths. Life was simpler. Today, your brain is overloaded every single day. And when the mind becomes overloaded, it stops moving. And that's why many men spend years consuming motivation but without taking action. Not because they are lazy, but because they don't know which direction is truly theirs. The second reason is comparison. Social media has completely changed how men see themselves. Earlier, you compared yourself with fewer people around you, but now you compare yourself with the entire world. A 22-year-old opens Instagram and suddenly feels behind in life because another 22-year-old has bought himself a car. Someone is feeling unattractive because influencers edit reality. Someone feels unsuccessful because another one has gotten success at a really early age. But nobody realizes this, that you are comparing your life to somebody else's highlights. And the dangerous part is constant comparison slowly destroys self respect. Because deep inside, your mind starts telling you, I'm not enough. And once a man stops believing in himself truly, he starts losing self respect. He stops trying fully. That's why so many people look unmotivated today. It's not lack of capability, it's silent self doubt built through years of comparison. The third reason most men feel lost is that nobody taught them how to become men emotionally. Most boys grow up hearing things like, be strong, don't cry, you're a man, handle it yourself. But nobody teaches emotional control. Nobody teaches confidence. Nobody teaches communication. So men enter adulthood physically grown but mentally confused. And then life hits them. Rejection, failure, career pressure, anger issues, loneliness, breakups, family expectations. And suddenly they realize I don't actually know how to handle pressure. That's why many men escape into distractions. They feel comfortable in it because that's the easiest way. Gaming, scrolling, short dopamine hits, endless entertainment, because distraction feels easier than facing confusion. And honestly, modern life is designed to distract men. Every app wants your attention, every platform is competing for your focus. And most men today have destroyed attention spans. They cannot sit quietly with their thoughts anymore. The moment silence comes, they open up their phones, and this creates another huge problem. Men never discovers who they really are because self-discovery requires silence. It requires reflection. It requires uncomfortable thinking. But today, distraction is available 24/7. So instead of building themselves, people are busy escaping themselves. Another major reason why men feel lost today is because they don't know how to talk about it. Because nobody talks about loneliness honestly. A lot of men in their 20s are deeply lonely. Even if they have friends, even if they laugh outside, even if they post online. Because main loneliness is different. Men often don't express emotional pain openly, they carry it quietly. And sometimes the scariest isn't sadness, it's numbness. When a man slowly stops feeling excited about life, when days start repeating, when ambition disappears, when he feels distracted from himself. This silent emptiness is becoming extremely common these days, and social media makes it worse because everyone looks socially successful online. So people think maybe I'm the only one struggling. But trust me, millions of men feel this exact same confusion right now. So here's another harsh truth. Many men are lost today because they are trying to become someone impressive instead of trying to become someone genuine. They are chasing an image, not an identity. They want to look successful, look alpha, look confident. But real confidence does not come from acting powerful. It comes from knowing yourself. And that takes time. Your 20s are supposed to feel confusing sometimes. This is the decade where you experiment, fail, restart, learn and evolve. But social media has created pressure to have everything figured out early, and that pressure is destroying people mentally. Listen carefully. You don't need to have your entire life figured out at 22 or 25 or even 28. Most people are pretending anyway. Real growth is messy. Real growth is slow. Real growth happens privately before it becomes visible publicly. And maybe the real reason many men feel lost today is because they lack purpose, not motivation. Purpose. Because motivation comes and goes, purpose stays. A man with purpose wakes up differently, moves differently, walks differently, speaks differently, handles pain differently, because he knows what he's building towards. But many men today are just surviving without direction. They wake up, go to work or college, scroll, watch content, sleep, repeat, and slowly life starts feeling meaningless. Because humans are not built only for consumption, we are built for creation, building, improving, growing, contributing. That's where fulfillment comes from. Now, the question is, how do you stop feeling lost? First, reduce the noise. Too many opinions will confuse your mind. You do not need advice from 50 people. You need to listen to yourself. Spend more time listening to yourself. Second, stop comparing timelines. Life is not a race. Some people succeed early, collapse later. Some people struggle early and rise later. Your journey is your own. Third, build discipline. Not because discipline look cool online, but because discipline creates self-respect. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your confidence grows. Fourth, learn solitude. Not loneliness, but solitude. Learn to sit with yourself without distractions. That's where clarity comes from. And finally, understand this deeply. Nobody suddenly finds themselves. People build themselves. One decision at a time, one habit at a time, 1 year at a time. If you feel lost right now, it does not mean your life is over. It simply means you are in transition. And sometimes confusion is the beginning of transformation. Some of the strongest men you admire today once felt exactly like this. And if you feel lost right now, it does not mean your life is over. It simply means you're in transition. And sometimes confusion is the beginning of transformation. Some of the strongest men you admire today once felt exactly like this, directionless, confused, invisible. But eventually they stopped waiting for clarity and started creating it. Because clarity rarely comes before action, it comes after action. So start somewhere. Improve your body, improve your communication, improve your mindset, learn skills, read more, speak better, think deeper, slowly. You'll begin becoming someone you respect. And once a man starts respecting himself, everything changes. Your 20s are not meant to be perfect. They are meant to shape you. And maybe feeling lost right now is simply the first step towards becoming the person you want to become, towards becoming the best version of yourself.